guys. It's gonna be freeze because I'm wearing shorts. Your turn. Oh, my leg freaking burns.
Dude, get your hands out. It's close now.
It's my phone. So I can do whatever I got with it.
He's so slow getting up. Watch.
I know, I'm just too fat. Jump it, jump it. Do it right away like I did.
I'm gonna do it till this car.
Wait. Hold my phone and I'm gonna get up there and record you.
So it's all these cars. Beep beep. It's all these cars. Beep beep beep. La, la. There's the limo. We can't even get up. Dude, if you touch that propane, you're gonna get blown up. It's propane! Here.
Touch it.
Jump off now.
This is how deep it is.
Test number 1.
Cause look, we're on a truck.
Test number 1. Well, test number 2. Well, test number 1 for me, so. Test number 1 starts never. Fine.
I'll push you.
No. All I do is win. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna do it so this car. I need some snow to throw at it.
He's gonna throw a snowball. Boom.
All I do is win it.
Okay. Guys, he's gonna record me.
Shit. I got it.
Ash, win. Beautiful. Okay, ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Wait, give me my
Subscribe.
Here,
Look at that car.
Jump with it, but keep your arm up.
Subscribe with me. Whoa. It's like an earthquake.
Let's show them our faces.
No. Okay, there's Jax.
Hi.
There's me. Psych.
Dad.
Okay, today I forgot what we're doing. Oh, we're jumping out the truck. Yeah. So, you suck. Watch this.
It's because I can't, because these are too small on me. God pants would be easier.
What?
God panted. Oh, I did it.
Finally. Well,
How you did it.
if you think this is fun,
Huh?
and if you have a big truck like this and you have deep snow on your neighbors or your house, jump off it. It's really fun. There's him. All I do. See the truck shaking?